So today we are going to be picking this Trainer's Master Lock. So this has 6 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when all of them are aligned, I'm able to rotate the inner cylinder. That'll bring this long spring down. That'll make the C not get locked anymore, because it is held in by a small groove right there, and when that happens, this spring is going to push the entire thing over. So the tools I'm going to use is I'm going to use this one, just a regular looking tool, smaller side and bigger side. This will give me enough leverage to spin the cylinder on the inside, which is this part. So what I'm going to do is put it in, put a little bit of tension in, so you can see that the cylinder spins a little bit or rotates, and I'm going to use this tool, a single hook with a small tooth on it. So I'm going to keep pressure, and I'm going to insert and wiggle a little bit. Do this a couple times. So now all of them are up. I let go a little bit, and you saw that one go in. So I'm gonna gently do it again. And one more time, that one goes in. So what I'm going to do is keep pressure on it, and I'm going to use this single pin to gently push all of them up a little bit. So you see that one right there went all the way up, and unfortunately I can't use this one because it goes in then hooks down to push the cylinders up. So I'm going to use this snake, aka comb, to put it in, gently wiggle in and out. So you can see all the pins are changing. So while I keep pressure, I'm going to use this tool right here once again, and I'm gonna let go of leverage a little bit. So you see the back one goes up. So I'm going to put this one in all the way, and you see nothing has happened. So I'm going to switch to the single pin. So I'm gonna push it all the way back, bring it up, and now we have unlocked it. So when that happens, you can see that the pins are all aligned, so I was able to rotate it. But once I take the tool out, there's a spring built in right there that'll push the cylinder back into place, so all the pins are now back in line. And you can see that this spring has extended, which also means that it has pushed the clamp out. So once I have done that, pushed it all the way out, you can see when I gently turn it, this part rises a little bit. So when that happens, well, it just puts a little bit more pressure on the top part, which is also the spring that keeps it locked. So once I put it back, you can see it detends, which means it now extends to the original form. And that, my friend, is how you make or pick a trainer's master lock.